Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of smooth muscle for histology, practical and slide. There are three identification points. Number one, fusiform cells are present, mean spindle shape. Fusiform means spindle shape, eye shape, human eye shape or spindle shape. Means cell broad at center and taper at end. Mean fusiform cells are present. Number two, single rod shaped central nuclei in each cell. In each cell there is a single nucleus, rod shaped nucleus and centrally placed nucleus. Third is spindle shaped non-striated muscle cells. The cells is non-striated muscle cells and the shape of the cell is spindle shape like human eye. These are the three identification points of smooth muscle for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the slide detailed explanation video of smooth muscle on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points for practical and slide. If you like my video, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.